Hello, we are camping in San Mateo State Park in Southern California, and we are using LED lights from Solara USA. These LED lights are bright, but what's unique about them is we can control them from a wireless remote controller that enables us to turn on and off the lights from inside a tent, because we're camping in a tent. Um, I'm gonna demonstrate to y'all how we're gonna do it. This remote control has the receiver inside a junction box, which is a custom built, and we'll show you how to build it from parts from Home Depot. I'm going to demonstrate, and the transmitter has two buttons. Actually, it is a remote controller for the fan and light. So if I turn this one on, turn off, two lights are off because junction box has 4 outlets. Turn it on, and by the way, those two lights are cool white, 6,000 Kelvin temperature. The other one, you see that's kind of yellow, it's actually soft white, 3,000 Kelvin temperature, and I'm controlling it from from the second button. Off, on. These lights are housed in 8.5-inch diameter clamp-on, and the big one in the center is bigger. I believe it's 12 or 13-inch clamp-on diameter, and y'all can order them on Amazon. Thank you very much.